So to experience the fact that the self is empty, it's not fixed, what is it that remains? Everything. So now, who you are is not just this bag of skin, but it includes everything, the whole universe. So now the whole universe becomes very, very personal. Buddhism says, go deep into yourself, get to the ground of being, because underneath all of those layers of conditioning is a person. Realize that. Then learn to live your life out of what you've realized, not what you've been told or what you should do or shouldn't do. So it's ultimately got to do with freedom, but not freedom of license. It's a freedom that comes from knowing how the world works and how you work. So when you really see into yourself, clearly you see the nature not only of yourself, but the nature of the universe. And that's no small thing, because it says how to proceed.